We shall begin chapter 15 of Mathematics class 11 Statistics. Measures of dispersion. We have four types of measures of dispersion. They are range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. Number 1, range. We define range of a series as maximum value minus minimum value. So the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value gives you the range of the series. Number 2, mean deviation. Mean deviation about a central value A is the mean of the absolute values of the deviation of the observations from A. Mean deviation about A equal to sum of absolute values of deviation from A divided by number of observations. So mean deviation about a central value. Central value can be mean also or median also. That is given as a mean of the observed values of the deviation from the observations from the central value. Okay, so that is called your mean deviation. Now here I am going to give you the formulas for mean deviation, how to calculate. Okay, so we are going to write only the formulas and we'll use these formulas and calculate the exercise. So mean deviation for ungrouped data. So ungrouped data means you are given only the data like 5, 6, 7, 25. Okay, like these data are given that are ungrouped data. For that, how to find the mean deviation? So let us find first. This is a general form. Okay, mean deviation about A. A is a central value. Okay, we are taking central value as the A. I have written in the definition, right? Central value A. As I said, we are going to use instead of A, the central value can be either mean or median. So mean deviation about A equal to 1 by n sigma I is equal to 1 to n modulus of xi minus A, where n is the number of observation, A will be the central value and xi is the data. Mean deviation, now this is central value in general. Let us take if it is a mean we write the symbol as x bar. Okay, so we'll just replace A by x bar. So 1 by n sigma modulus of xi minus x bar, where x bar is mean. Mean deviation about median equal to 1 by n sigma xi minus A, instead of A it will be m, and m is the median. Mean deviation for group data. Mean deviation x bar equal to 1 by n sigma fi modulus of xi minus x bar, where x bar equal to the mean given as 1 by n sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi fi. Fi is the frequency and capital N, that is the sum of the frequency sigma fi. Mean deviation about the median equal to 1 by n sigma fi modulus of xi minus m, where m is the median, and median, if it is given, classes are given, then we can use the formula, this one, to calculate the median, that is L plus n by 2 minus c divided by f into h, where c is a cumulative frequency, h is a class width, and L is the lower limit of the median class. Okay, so median we can use according to what is given in the question. Okay, this I have written the median for when you are given a class. Exercise 15.1. Find mean deviation about mean. Exercise 1 and 2. So for exercise 1 and 2, that is question 1 and 2, we have to find mean deviation about mean. So first we have to find the mean, and then using this formula, okay, for the ungrouped data we'll use this formula. Okay, so for mean we'll use this formula. So we'll use this formula and find, but before that we have to find mean. Here question 1 is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. Okay, these are the given data in question number 1. The number of observation here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of observation are 8. I write small n 8. Okay, x bar is equal to sum of the observation divided by total number of observation, right? You know that how to find the mean for the given data. Okay, ungrouped data. So we just do the sum of this. So 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 divided by number of observation, that is 8. So divide by 8. Sum this, it is 80 divided by 8. Divide 80 by 8 gives you 10. Now this is your mean. Now you have to find the mean deviation about the mean. So for that I need, see the formula is sigma modulus of xi minus x bar divided by n. So I have to find this value first. Okay, and what is xi? Xi will be, these are the one xi, x1, x2, x3. Okay, these are xi. So x1, x2, x3 and so on, right, up to xn, because number of observations are 8. So let us find first xi minus x bar, then we'll find the modulus of that. Okay, directly also you can do, but this is just I am doing it for you to have practice. So xi minus x bar, xi will be, for the first it is 4 minus x bar is 10, so 4 minus 10 which gives you minus 6. Okay, then 7 minus 10 which gives you minus 3, 8 minus 10 gives you minus 2, 9 minus 10 gives you minus 1, 10 minus 10 gives you 0, 12 minus 10 gives you plus 2, 13 minus 10 gives you 3, 17 minus 10 gives you 7. Okay, now we have to write the absolute value, that is neglecting the negative sign, only the positive sign you have to take. So modulus of this xi minus x bar just value I have put as a 10, because that what we found, x bar value. So here modulus of minus 6 will be plus 6, minus will be 3, this will be 2, plus 1, 0 remains 0. These are all positive, so just write as it is 2, 3, 7. Now you have to find the sigma, because you require sigma xi minus x bar. So sum of these, so I have written here sigma modulus of xi minus x bar. You total this, you get it 24. Right? Now use this formula directly. MD, that is mean deviation about mid equal to 1 by n sigma modulus of xi minus x bar. Okay, so I am writing here the formula equal to 1 by n. N is the number of observation, that is 8, right? So put 1 by 8 into sigma xi modulus of xi minus x bar is 24. So into 24, cut by 8, so you get equal to 3. So the mean deviation above the mean for the given data is 3. Question number 2. 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54, 44. Okay, this is the given data. Number of observations small and equal to, count how many number of observations are given, right? So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so it is 10. So n equal to 10. Mean of the given data x bar is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation. Okay, previously I just did directly, here just I am writing the formula, sum of observation divided by number of observation. So x bar equal to sum, take total of these, right? So I am just writing 38 plus 70 plus 48 plus 40 plus 42 plus 55 plus 63 plus 46 plus 54 plus 45 divided by number of observation, that is n, so 10, right? And value is given as 10, we counted. So the sum of this is 500 divided by 10, cut 0, 0, so you get 50. So x bar is 50. Now we have to find xi minus x bar. Okay, this is the x bar value. So xi minus x bar, that means 38 minus 50. Okay, 38 minus 50 gives you minus 12. Then 70 minus 50, 20. 48 minus 50, minus 2. 40 minus 50, minus 10. 42 minus 50 is minus 8. 55 minus 50 is plus 5. 63 minus 50 is plus 13. 46 minus 50 is minus 4. 54 minus 50 is plus 4. 44 minus 50 is minus 6. Okay, now you have to take the absolute value. Absolute value means without the negative sign, only the positive sign you have to take. So modulus of xi minus x bar. X bar value you can write as 50, because in this question x bar value is 50. So here without the negative sign, so negative 12 become plus 12, 20 is positive, so as it is minus 2 will be 2, this will be 10, this will be plus 8, plus 5, 13, plus 4, 4, minus 6 gives you plus 6. Then sum total of these, that is sigma modulus of xi minus x bar. So total this, the total is 84. Now we use the formula I have given before, this one, md x bar equal to 1 by n sigma xi minus x bar, that is the formula. Okay, so let us use the formula here. MD means mean deviation. Okay, mean deviation x bar equal to 1 by n sigma modulus of xi minus x bar equal to 1 by n, that is n value is, we have taken n as 10. Okay, we have not taken, the number of observation is 10. Okay, so 1 by 10 into sigma x modulus of xi minus x bar is 84. So 1 by 10 into 84, 84 by 10 gives you 8.4. Okay, so that is the solution for question number 2, or you can say this is the mean deviation above the mean for the given data. Question number 3. Find mean deviation above the median for exercise 3 and 4. Okay, so for question 3, And 4, we are asked to find the mean deviation above the median. So first you have to find median. Okay, question 3 is given, the data is given as 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17. Now these are ungrouped data, single data is given, right? So first, to find the median, we have to arrange this data in ascending order, either ascending or descending. Okay, I will arrange in the data in the ascending order. So start with the smallest one. So you have to search the smallest one and then write in the ascending order. So you look at this, and I have written here directly. You can, afterwards you can just see slowly. Okay, so I write here 10, then here 11, 11 twice is there. Okay, so write 11, then 12, 13, 13 also 2 times are there, so 13, 13. Okay, if it is 2 times, write 2 times, 3 times, write 3 times. Then 14 is also there, so write 14, 16 also second time is here, so twice. 17, there are 2 times 17, one is here, one is here, so 17, 17, and 18, right? So this is the ascending order of the given data. Now number of observation, just count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of observation, small n equal to 12. Now here this is even number. So what we have to do is, the median m is given as 12 by 2, that is 6, right? You have to divide 12 by 2, that is 6. So 6 plus 7 term, you have to take the 6 per 7 term and then mean. Okay, the ratio, sorry, the mean of 6th and 7th term. So you have to take the 6th term, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 13. Okay, 6th term is 13 plus 7th term, that is 14. 13 divide by 2, so 13 plus 14 is 27 by 2, which gives you 13.5. Okay, first what we have to do, find the number of observation, that is 12. Call it n equal to 12, small n. This 12 is even number, so we can divide by 2, right? So 12 by 2 is 6. That means median will be 6th and 7th term. Okay, divide by 2 and then you get 6. So 6 and 7th term. Their mean you have to take. So 6 plus 7th term, divide by 2. Okay, 6th term, then find from here 6 and 7th term. Find the sum of this, divide by 2, and the value will be your median. I hope you understand this, how to find the median. So we found the median. Now we have to find xi and modulus of xi minus m. Okay, here I have not found the like this, okay, without the modulus, but directly I am finding the taking xi minus m with modulus. That means the negative sign I am neglecting directly. Okay, if you find difficult, then you write first like this, xi minus m, then take the modulus. Okay, so I am writing xi, first I am taking all the data which I have arranged in the ascending order. So 10, 11, 11, okay, just write what is we have written here. Then modulus of xi minus m, that means you have to xi, that is this minus median, that is this much. So 10 minus 13.5, I am taking the modulus. So 10 minus 13.5 gives you 3.5. Okay, I am taking the modulus, so it is positive. So it comes negative, but modulus will give you the positive. Then 11 minus 13.5, that is 2.5. 11 minus 13.5, that is 2.5. So here 12 minus 13.5, that is 2.5. Sorry, 1.5. 13 minus 13.5 is 0.5. 13 minus 13.5 is plus 0.5. Okay, but modulus will give you 0.5. Then 14 minus 13.5, that is 0.5. 16 minus 13.5, that is 2.5. 16 minus 13.5, that is 2.5. 17 minus 13.5, that is 3.5. 17 minus 30.5 is 3.5. 18 minus 30.5 is 4.5. Now find the sum total. So sigma modulus of this one I am writing xi minus m. The sum total of this is 28. Okay, and mean deviation above the median equal to 1 by n sigma modulus of xi minus m. Okay, this formula I gave you before, that is the formula I am writing, equal to 1 by n. N is the number of observation. Here the number of observation is 12. So I put here n value as 12, that is small n, into sigma modulus of xi minus m, that is 28. Okay, when you find the deviation, it is 2.33. Okay, so this is the mean deviation above the median for the given data. Question number 4, the data is given to you 36, 72, 46, 60, 45, 53, 46, 51, 49, 42. Here also you have to find mean deviation above the median. Therefore you have to arrange in the either ascending order or descending order. So arrange in the ascending order here. So start with the small value. Here small value is 36, then 42, then 45, then 46, There are 2 times, so 46, then 49, 51, 53, then 60 and 72. Okay, you can just look it yourself and try it. Okay, just arranging in the ascending order. Then count the number of observations. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So number of observations small n equal to 10, which is even number. Divide by 2. So when you divide by 10 by 2, then you get 5. So that means 5th plus 6th term divide by 2. Okay. So now from here you find the 5th term and 6th term and take their mean, average of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 46 and 6th term is 49. 46 plus 49 by 2. Okay. Find that sum, that is 95, divide by 2. Division will give you 47.5. So this is your median. Now we have to find the mean deviation above the median. For that I need to draw the table xi value, and I am taking the modulus of xi minus m. Okay, m will be these values, 47.5. You can write here 47.5. So xi values, just I am writing this which I have arranged in the ascending order: 36, 42, 45, 46, 46, 49, 51, 53, 60 and 72. Okay. Now let us find the modulus, means you just neglect the negative sign, write only the positive sign. So xi, that is 36 minus 47.5, which gives you 11.5. 42, it is negative, but because of modulus it is positive. Okay. 42 minus 47.5 gives you 5.5. 45 minus 47.5 gives you 2.5. 46 minus 47.5 is 1.5. 46, this is same, so I am just writing here. 49 minus 47.5 gives you 1.5. 51 minus 47.5 gives you 3.5. 53 minus 47.5 gives you 5.5. 60 minus this will give you 12.5, and 72 minus this gives you 24.5. Okay, there was no space, so the sum total of these, that is sigma modulus of xi minus m, will give you, if you sum this, it is 70. Okay, so find the sum total. You can write here, or I have written it separately. Now mean deviation above the median, the formula I have given you before, this formula. Okay, so use this formula: md m equal to 1 by n sigma modulus of xi minus m. So the formula is written here: md means mean deviation about median, equal to 1 by n sigma modulus of xi minus m, equal to 1 by n value is, the number of observation is 10. Okay, so write 10 into this, the sum total, the sigma of this is 70, so write 70, divide by 10, so you get 7. So the mean deviation above the median for the given data is 7. Find mean deviation about mean for exercise 5 and 6. Question number 5. Here they have given us frequency also and the data also. Okay, so xi value is given and fi value is given. So here xi value is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and fi is 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. These two values are given. Okay, and what they have asked us, mean deviation about the mean. So I have to find, first is I have to find mean, then I have to find, using the formula, this one I will find the mean deviation about the mean. Okay, so first this table which I have drawn is, I have not written the question because question is given in these two column. Okay, xi value and fi value. Okay, right, and this xi fi I am finding because I want to find the mean. So xi fi, that is a third column, you can multiply this. Xi fi means 5 into 7 35, 10 into 4 40, 15 into 6 90, 20 into 3 60, 25 into 5 125. Right, now you have to find capital N. Right, for this formula you require capital N. Okay, this is the formula. So capital N, what is capital N? Sum of the frequency. Right, so that means you have to find the sum of this. So this sigma fi will be 25. Okay, so this is your capital N sigma fi, and sum of these will be 350. Okay, you count this, total this, so total will be 350. So this is n and this is sigma fi xi. Right, so mean, the formula is x bar equal to 1 by n sigma fi xi. Okay, this formula is from class 10. Okay, so this formula you know. So 1 by n, that is n value is 25, and sigma fi xi is 350. So 350 by 25 will give you 14. Now you have found this is your mean. Right, now next table will be, you have to draw xi fi xi minus the mean, that is 14, and the product of fi and this value, that is fi into modulus of xi minus 14. When you are writing modulus, that means you are going to neglect the negative sign. Okay, so fi sorry, xi and fi is given. I am just writing from here 5, 7, 10, 4, 15, 6, 23 and 20 and 3 and 25 and 5, right? Now xi minus 14, that means xi is this much, so 5 minus 14 will give you 9. It is minus, but because of modulus it will be positive, right? 10 minus 14 will be 4, 15 minus 14 is 1, 20 minus 14 is 6, 25 minus 14 is 11, right? Now multiply this with fi. Why? See, you remember the formula. The formula is modulus of xi minus x bar into fi. So this column, this row which you can see is modulus of xi minus 14, that is x bar. Now multiply with frequency. So this into this right here. So 7 into 9, 63, 4 into 4, 16, 6 into 1, 6, 3 into 6, 18, 5 into 11 is 55. Then find the sum total, because in the formula you require sigma, sum total. So sigma of this one, this value. So sigma fi, this I am writing here, modulus of xi minus 14. Total these plus these plus this plus this plus this gives you 158, right? Now we can find mean deviation about the mean equal to 1 by n sigma fi modulus of xi minus x bar. That is the formula I gave you before. Equal to, this value is 158 divided by capital N. Capital N is your frequency, sum of the frequency, that is 25, right? So put here 25. Divide, you get 6.32. So that is solution for question number 5. Question number 6, xi and fi is given. Okay, so these two columns are given. This xi value and fi value is given, and fi xi I am writing it. Okay, so these values are given: 10, 4, 30 and 24, 50 and 28, 70 and 20, sorry 60, 90 and 8. Okay, this is given to us. Now I am writing fi xi, that means product of these two, because I have to find mean first. So 10 into 4 is 40, 20 into 20, sorry 30 into 24 is 720, 50 into 28 is 1400, 70 into 16 is 1120, 90 into 8 is 720. Okay, you have to find capital N. So sum of this frequency, that is you add up these 4 plus 24 plus 28 plus 16 plus 8 gives you 80, that is capital N, or you can call it sigma fi, but we write is capital N. And also find the sum of this. To get the mean value, we have to find the total of this. So total of this gives you 4000. This is the value of sigma fi xi. Now we find the mean, x bar equal to 1 by n sigma fi xi. You know this formula, equal to sigma fi xi is 4000 divided by capital N is 80. Okay, when you find the division you get 50. Now we have to find the mean deviation. For that, xi fi you will write, and you will add the two more column, that is modulus of xi minus the mean, that is 50. So xi minus 50, and the next column will be the product of frequency fi with this, that is fi into modulus of xi minus 50. Okay, so this is the values you require for the in the question. Okay, in the formula, sorry, in the formula you require, therefore you have to draw this table. So xi and fi, from here I am just writing 10, 4, 30, 24, 50, 28, 70, 16, 98. Okay, I am writing from here. Then xi minus 50, that means this is xi. Okay, so these values minus 50. So 10 minus 50, 40. 30 minus 50, 20. 50 minus 50, 0. 70 minus 50, 20. 90 minus 50, 40. Okay, now multiply this value with fi. This why? Because the formula is there. Okay, the formula is this one, 1 by n sigma fi modulus of xi minus x bar. So product you have to find. Okay, this value you found. Now product with fi. So 4 into 40 gives you 160. 24 into 20, 480. 28 into 0, 0. 16 into 20, 320. 8 into 40, 320. Okay, now find the sum total, because you require sigma. So sum total, that is sigma fi modulus of xi minus 50. Total of these 1280. So the formula is mean deviation x bar equal to 1 by n sigma fi modulus of xi minus x bar equal to, this value is this much, 1280, and n we found before, that is 80. So divide by 80, cut 0 and then cut by 8, you get 16. So this is the mean deviation about the mean. Find mean deviation about median for exercise 7 and 8. Now in the last two questions we found mean deviation about mean. Now we'll find mean deviation about the median. So question 7, xi and fi is given in the question. Okay, so xi is 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15, and fi is given you 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. Now to find first the median, we have to find the cumulative frequency. Okay, you know how to find cumulative frequency. Cf is a cumulative frequency. So first frequency as it is, this cumulative frequency is found from the frequency. So 8 as it is, then sum of 8 and 6, that is 14 here. Then 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. Okay, so this is the way we write the cumulative frequency. The first frequency as it is, the next will be these plus these, 8 plus 6, 14. Okay, next will be 14 plus 2 here. Next will be 16 plus 2 here. Then 18 plus 2 here, 20 plus 6 here, 26. Okay, and sigma fi, that is capital N, will be 26, same as this much, this value. Okay, and this is the total. If you find, it will be 26. Here n is equal to 26. Now this is even number. Okay, so how to find the median? For median, m equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 the term. Okay, so n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, and there you have to take their mean. Okay, the average of that. So n is 26, so 26 by 2 means 13, right? So 13th plus 14th term by 2. Okay, now 13th and 14th term you have to look in your CF. Okay, in this CF. So when you look at here, then between 13th and 14th is this one, right? So here the term is 7, so this 7 you will take. So 7, and there is no 13 and 14, only 14 is there, so you will take 7 plus 7 by 2. So 13 term is 7 and 14 term is 7 by 2. 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 by 2 is also 7. So this is your median. Okay, so this is your median, 7. Okay, I hope you understand. It is just like the previously, but here since it is given to you cumulative frequency, so we are using that value and finding the median. Okay, let us find now the next table. Next table for the mean deviation about the median. So same like this, xi fi will come. Okay, xi fi will come, and xi minus 50. Here 50 was the mean. Now here instead of the mean, it will be median, that is 7. Okay, so xi fi modulus of xi minus 7 in, and next will be fi into this one, that is xi minus 7. Okay, these two product here. So xi and fi, what is given in the question? Just write 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15, and fi is 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6. Okay. Now xi minus 7, that is, this is the xi and this is 7. So 5 minus 7, you have to take modulus, that means positive value. So 5 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 10 minus 7 is 3, 12 minus 7 is 5, 15 minus 7 is 8. And next is fi into xi minus 7. So product of these two. So 8 into 2, 16. 6 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 5, 10. 6 into 8, 48. Okay, find the sum total, that is sigma fi modulus of xi minus 7, and the sum total is 84. The formula for mean deviation about the median is m equal to 1 by n sigma fi modulus of xi minus m. So this value is 84 and n value is from here 26. Okay, find the division, you get the value 3.23. So this is the value or the mean deviation about the median for the given data. Question number 8. Here also we have to find mean deviation about the median. Okay, so xi and fi is given. So here xi just I have written in this way. Previously I was writing in horizontal, here I have written vertical. You can write any one of the way. Okay, whichever is easy for you, you write. So here xi is 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. fi is also given 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have found the sum total, that will be capital N. Total is 29. Again, cumulative frequency 3 as it is. Next will be 3 plus 5, 8. Next will be 8 plus 6, 14. Next will be 14 plus 7 is 21. Here 21 plus 8 is 29. Okay, these 29 should be same as the sum total. Then the cumulative frequency is correct. Okay, so here n is 29, right? Capital N is this value, sigma fi, that is 29, which is odd number. So median will be 29 plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, so 29 plus 1th term. Okay, divide by 2. So 29 plus 1 is 30 by 2. So this is 30 by 2th term. So 30 by 2 means 15. So 15th term, right? So 15th term means you have to look here again. Okay, so here 21 and 14. So at this value you have to look, and that is 30. So that value is 30, right? So this value is 30. Just number, I mean 15th term is just before this, that is this value. So 30 is your median. Now we have to draw the next table for the finding the mean deviation. So xi will come, the first value xi will come, then fi will come, and the second one will be xi minus the median what we found, that is 30, and you take the modulus, and next will be fi into this. So fi into modulus of xi minus 30. So xi value which is given, I am just writing as it is 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. fi also given in the question 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that sum total is 29. Okay, this is capital N. And xi minus 30, that is this 30 minus this 15 minus 30, these are xi's, right? So 15 minus 30, which gives you 15. It is negative, take a modulus, so positive. 21 minus 30 gives you 9. 27 minus 30 gives you 3. 30 minus 30, 0. 35 minus 30 gives you 5. Right? Next is product of these two, this column into this column. So 3 into 15, 45. 5 into 9, 45. 6 into 3, 18. 7 into 0, 0. 8 into 5, 40. And this sum total you find, the sum total if you find, that is sigma fi into modulus of xi minus 30 gives you 148. Okay, that is sum total. Now we find the mean deviation about the median. The formula is 1 by n sigma fi xi minus m. So 1 by n, that is n value. N value is sum of the frequency 29. So 1 by 29 into sigma fi xi minus n, that is this value. Okay, this is the value. So it is 148. Find the division, you get 5.1. We'll keep this much for today. Still there are some questions in this exercise 15.1 we shall do later on. Thank you very much.